Okay, well, here we have our Uniden 2830 10 meter transceiver, but of course we'll work on 11 meters as well. I've replaced the reverse polarity protection diode in it, which is a standard factory fit IN4003. We will now see if our old girl is back to life. Here we are. She is once more working. Now, of course, as many don't know, or many that do, the Uniden 2830 is the original version of the President Lincoln, which of course is the better known transceiver. This is a 20-year-old radio, manufactured in 1989-1990, and is where it all kicked off. This is the original transceiver. Of course, replaced by the well-known Lincoln, and obviously by other radios like the HR2510 and the HR2600, which was built purely as a 10 meter transceiver, had a different CPU in it. And obviously there were other versions of this radio later on the market, like the Emperor Shogun, the TS5010 and the Midland Allen 9001, all variations of the same transceiver. Now we're back to life. There's not much on the radio at the moment, so we're not picking up a lot. But the old girl is all fired up and working. Let's just check the transmit. Audio, no problem. Now, one interesting thing is that this radio still has the original Hitachi CPU in it. Although many people think that the central processor unit in these radios is manufactured by Uniden, they were not. This one, being an original, still has the original Hitachi CPU in it, which is an HD number. And of course, most people, when looking for the chips to put in the 2600, look for the UC1201, which is labelled Uniden. But of course, they never made the chip. It was made by Hitachi. So there we are. Well, there we have it. The 2830 is back in operational condition.